I'm Rich Steinfeld. I've been an orthopedic surgeon here in Vero Beach for 19 years, and it's now my pleasure to be associated with RBI and the technologies they have to offer you, our patients, newer options to help you heal and regenerate your tissues and to lead a more active life. As an orthopedic surgeon, I see a tremendous number of complaints related to joint pain, body pain, aches and pains. People who work out, people who are very active. We have a limited number of non-operative options that we could typically offer people. For instance, the use of medications or therapy or injections or bracing. RBI has a very comprehensive program in the ability to use the body's own tissues to hopefully act in a reparative and regenerative process to help your body heal itself. So in other words, people who may have inflamed rotator cuff tissues in their shoulders that have been unresponsive to the normal measures we use, this gives an individual another option to help control that disease process. So an individual who may be told, listen, your only other option now is to consider replacing your joint, now has another option that might offer them pain relief. And it may not result in complete elimination of their pain for the rest of their lives, but it will enable them to keep their own natural joint for a longer period of time. And that's a very, very important thing.